Buenos dias! Welcome back to Immediate Immersion, where we're all about comprehension-based instruction in the modern language classroom. My name is Scott, and today we're diving into the important topic of building strong teacher-student relationships in the language classroom. The rapport we build with our students plays a significant role in their language acquisition journey. It fosters a positive learning environment, boosts motivation, and can significantly improve their success in the classroom. In today's video, we're going to discuss practical strategies to help you build these relationships. We'll be right back. Establishing a positive classroom environment is essential for creating an optimal learning experience. Clear expectations and rules are key to maintaining structure and discipline, which gives students the confidence to express themselves within the boundaries of respect and courtesy. When it comes to setting rules, it's important to communicate them clearly and collaboratively with your students. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among students. It also promotes accountability for one's actions while reinforcing the idea that everyone has a role in supporting a safe and inclusive environment. In addition to setting rules, promoting inclusivity is crucial too. Creating an atmosphere where everyone feels welcome, respected, and valued is essential for cultivating positive relationships between classmates as well as between teachers and students. Open communication, active listening, empathy, and compassion are all key components of fostering an inclusive classroom environment. Encouraging student participation through group activities or discussions can help create a collaborative atmosphere where every student has the opportunity to share their thoughts without fear of judgment. In the end, creating a positive classroom environment requires effort from both teachers and students alike. It takes time, patience, understanding, and collaboration to build strong relationships that foster mutual respect and support throughout the school year. By working together towards this goal, we can create classrooms that promote growth, learning, and success for everyone involved. Improving the connection with your students is a crucial aspect of being an effective teacher. One way to achieve this is by getting to know your students on a deeper level. Engaging in icebreaker activities, surveys, or one-on-one chats can help you gain insight into their interests, backgrounds, and learning styles. These methods can also assist you in creating a more inclusive environment that values diversity and promotes student engagement. Conversations are an excellent way to learn about your students since they allow for open-ended questions and follow-up inquiries. However, some students may be shy or hesitant to share their thoughts in a group setting. Surveys, on the other hand, offer a sense of anonymity that may encourage more honest responses. They can also be completed at the student's convenience and provide data that can be analyzed over time. Icebreaker activities are another useful tool for building connections with your students. They can help break down barriers and create an atmosphere of trust and collaboration from the start of the school year. Icebreakers can take many forms, from games that encourage teamwork to personal introductions that reveal unique hobbies or experiences. Ultimately, the choice of which method to use depends on your personal preferences as well as your students' personalities and comfort levels. It's essential to consider each option and choose what works best for you and your classroom dynamics. Let us know in the comments below which method you prefer when it comes to getting to know your students. Personalized learning can be a highly effective approach for language instruction. By acknowledging that each student has their own unique way of absorbing language, you can tailor your teaching methods to suit their individual needs and preferences. Providing students with the opportunity for choice and autonomy can further enhance this approach, as it empowers them to take ownership of their own learning experience. Whether through alternative assignments or customized lesson plans, personalized learning allows educators to create a more engaging and effective classroom environment. Have you had the opportunity to try this approach before? If so, I'd love for you to share your experiences with us in the comments below. In order to build trust in the classroom, it's important to create a sense of community amongst your students. This can be achieved through collaborative learning activities, such as group projects or classroom discussions, where students have the opportunity to share their ideas and perspectives with one another. It's also important to establish clear expectations for behavior and academic performance so that everyone knows what is expected of them. In terms of creating a non-judgmental environment, it's helpful to emphasize growth over achievement. Instead of focusing solely on grades or test scores, try to celebrate individual progress and effort. Encourage students to take risks and make mistakes, and provide feedback that emphasizes areas for improvement rather than simply pointing out errors. Constructive feedback is an essential tool for promoting student growth and development. When providing feedback, you want to be specific about what the student did well and offer suggestions for how they can improve. Make sure your feedback is timely so that students have an opportunity to apply it before moving on to the next assignment or activity. Finally, praise is a powerful motivator that can help promote positive behavior and performance in the classroom. However, it's important to be intentional about how you praise students. Avoid empty compliments like "good job" or "nice work," and instead focus on specific behaviors or efforts that led to their success. For example, "I noticed how you helped your group members stay organized during the project. That really contributed to your overall success." By offering targeted praise that acknowledges individual contributions and effort, you can help foster a sense of pride and ownership among your students. So that's a quick rundown on building strong relationships in your language classroom. These strategies are not one-off tasks, but rather continuous efforts to understand, connect, and collaborate with your students. But before we wrap up, did you know that we're offering a summer session for our Comprehended conference? It's over 35 hours of professional development that you can watch at your convenience all summer long. For just $179, you'll get unlimited access through August 31st. And if you register on or before Sunday, June 11th, you can save an additional $50 using code YouTube at checkout. To register, visit comprehended.co/register. I'd love to know how you plan to implement these strategies in your language classroom. Let me know in the comments below. Remember, every little step can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more teaching inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And if you want to learn more about language teaching strategies, you'll want to watch this video next. Until next time, happy comprehensible input.